Barfi is the most wonderful dessert of the India. So today I am going to make mango coconut barfi, which is very much simple and easy to make recipe, and all the ingredients are generally available in your kitchen only. So you can make it very easily. Now let's start. Here on a big kadhai I am taking the full cream milk, approximately half liter. Let it boil for 5 or 6 minutes. You can see it's getting creamy and I'm stirring while boiling it. So on this stage I will add 1 cup of sugar. Now after some time sugar will melt in the milk and it becomes more thick and little bit caramelized. So I will increase the flame and let it boil for 10 minutes at medium flame. See the caramelized sugar in the bottom of the pan, and it becomes more thicky and creamy. Now at this stage I will add desiccated coconut. It's very easy to get. It's available in the local market. You can get it very easily. So I will add 2.5 cup of desiccated coconut and again stir continuously at the medium flame. You will see the oil of the coconut and milk becomes more thicker and it's become more creamy. So at this stage I will add mango. This is the Dasahari variety. You can take any variety of mango. Depending on the sweetness you can add more sweets or sugar. Okay, now mix it thoroughly 2 or 3 minutes at the low flame. At this stage I will add 1/3 cup of ghee. Ghee is very necessary because I am not using any kind of condensed milk or milk powder. So it gives a kind of glaze to your burfi, a shine to your burfi. Okay, now mix it very thoroughly and dry it on medium flame. You can see the oil getting releases, and now switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now see the box of the sweet. Usually we throw it, but now I am using it. So don't throw this box and don't need any pan of the to make barfi. You can use it very easily. See, we don't require butter paper or any kind of ghee. It will not stick. Take mixture in it and press gently, and like this you can add this. I am using another one. Take it mixture and press. To give it to the halwai style mithai I am using the silver leaf. You can skip also, or you can use like dry fruit also for toppings. And now see, if you are in hurry you can use in refrigerator also. Keep it over there for 2 hours, and now see, after 4 to 3 hours it becomes more hard, and now I am cutting in the desired shape. You can use knife and cut over there. See, exactly halwai like dessert is ready now. Now I am doing plating. So you can try in it your kitchen for the available resources only and write back to me. I am sure it will come out very deliciously, and it's so easy to make. So don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.